Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix verification code not received in Bondee app. For example, if you click on sign up and provide your mobile number here, and if you want to get the SMS verification code and you didn't get it on, then I will tell you how you can fix that error. First of all, you have to close that. For this, you have to open the settings of your iPhone. After that, you have to make sure that you have to search for the notification. Here you have to search for the notification and you have to look for message notification and make sure that you have allowed the notification for the messages and time sensitive notification. Moreover, you can also check for the customized notification and you have also allowed the notification from unknown senders. Moreover, you have to click on repeat alerts and never so that your message can be received easily. After that, what you have to do, you have to go back and you have to search for message application of the iPhone, and here you have to turn on the message application and all the settings, send SMS and all the other settings you have to turn on. After doing all these settings, your message will be received. If the problem is still there, what you can do is simple. You can again click on settings of your iPhone and you have to look for the Bondee application here in the App Store. As you can see, if you click on that and you can scroll down, then here you can find the Bondee application and you have to make sure that you have allowed all the settings which are necessary for the receiving of the SMS. After doing all the settings, your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, you can mention us in the comments. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.